Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel, and today Edward and I will show you how we face paint
A shark!
a shark. So the reference photo that I'm using is by Susy Amaro from Funny Chicks. We'll start with red. For the shark, I'm going to use these three blues from Craze Palette that I have here. Oh, it looks awesome. This paint makes it so cool. Fins. This one more here. Cool. Okay, let's add some teeth. White belly. Take a thicker brush. I'm gonna go with the same one. Cool. Add more white for the water. Okay, and then a few details on the face. So the nose has a highlight over here. There's a nose gonna be here. So their eye. Okay, so we're just gonna add that. We'll make it easier. Okay, some fins, highlights. Looks so cool. Let's add some details with the black paint. So over here, the shark is have outlined with the black. Let's see. We got a minute, so we will outline it as well. It looks even better that way. If I were at the busy event, I think I would. You don't even need to outline it. It looks already pretty cool with that dark blue on the outside and lighter blue inside. Okay, but it looks awesome. You know, I would also like outline the teeth if you have a minute. Ooh, cool. You can close your eyes a little bit. And eye here. Eye. Maybe another layer of white to make teeth brighter. Ooh, so cool. Our shark is ready. What do you think? Like it? Awesome.
Very good.
Thanks. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
And subscribe!
Thank you. Bye. It's pretty cool.
Bye.
Can I take a pic of it?
Sure. Be Facebooking.